Well, in a move that's being welcomed by the Aam Aadmi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has booted out the VVIP culture by saying no red beacons for VIPs anymore in the country. Now, the order will be effective from May 1st, but there are some crying foul over this particular move. And we're talking about some netas in Bihar. Now, the centre's move of removing red beacons seems to have irked many Bihar politicians, including ministers in the Nitish Kumar government. Their contention is that the directive was not binding on states and that the Modi Sarkar is trying to demolish the federal structure of the country. Now, while the BJP-ruled states have immediately implemented the move, many non-BJP states have also supported it. Some states like Odisha, Arunachal, Rajasthan have already begun implementing the decision. The centre's decision will be implemented from May 1st. As I pointed out earlier, the ban in effect applies to union ministers as well as top bureaucrats working for the central government. Constitutional authorities like the President, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice as well as the Lok Sabha Speaker are exempted. Only they will be allowed to use these red beacons. As I pointed out earlier, it is some netas in Bihar who are crying foul over the move. So listen in to what they have to say.
विजेंद्र जी, अभी लाल बत्ती खत्म कर दिया जा रहा है 1 मई से।
That decision has been taken by the central government, not the state government.
आप लोग लगा के रहेंगे?
अब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगी तो करेंगे।
आप लोग भी डिसाइड करेंगे?
फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर में इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी।
आपको ये अच्छा लगता है, ये कदम, ये पहल अच्छी लग रही है?
अब अच्छी बुरी अपनी जगह पर है, लेकिन फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर में स्टेट का अलग कानून है, केंद्र का अलग कानून है, और ये कानून नहीं है एग्जीक्यूटिव फैसले।
कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि इस फैसले को आप माने ही,
आवश्यक नहीं है। पूरे देश
बाइंडिंग नहीं है ये फैसला।
भारत सरकार के हर फैसले हमारे लिए लागू होना संभव नहीं है। अंडर दी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजन स्टेट अपना एक्ट बनाती है, अपना।
ठीक है, केंद्र सरकार ने अपना खत्म किया होगा, राज्य सरकार जब खत्म करेगा तभी।
आप उसको फॉलो नहीं करेंगे? तुरंत फॉलो करेंगे केंद्र सरकार के डायरेक्शन से?
केंद्र सरकार के डायरेक्शन पर राज्य सरकार डायरेक्शन जारी करेगी, सब लोग फॉलो करेंगे।
हटाएंगे लाल बत्ती?
नो, आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू टेल दैट कि जितना कॉमनर की तरह रहे मंत्री लोग, उतना ज्यादा अच्छा।
So some Bihar ministers and netas are expressing their reservations really as far as this decision is concerned. My colleague Rohit Singh gets us this report on the ground situation in Bihar, whether any netas have actually removed the red beacons or not. Take a look.
We have been speaking to several of these people here, ministers here, who have come for this cabinet meeting. Few have said that they are okay with this decision of the central government. Like Tejasvi Yadav is in favor of this decision. Abdul Jalil Mastan has also said that he will be abiding by the directions of the central government. But there are many other ministers also who have said that the decision, the direction of the central government is not binding on them. So this clearly goes on to show that many ministers are not ready to give up with their VIP status. With camera person Nadeem Alam, this is Rohit Singh in Patna for India Today.
Right, so there are clearly a few netas who are not too happy with the move, but Modi's ministers have hailed the move, welcoming the Prime Minister's decision to do away with red beacons. Here's a look at the kind of political reactions, positive reactions really, that have come in on the decision.
इस रूल को अबॉलिश करने का और इसको हटा देने का अर्थ ये होगा कोई भी ऐसा डिग्निटरी नहीं होगा जिसको केंद्र या राज्य सरकार नॉमिनेट कर सकती है कि वो रेड लाइट कैरी कर सकता है। तो इसका असर ये होगा कि 1 मई से कोई भी व्यक्ति देश में और कोई भी व्हीकल देश में रेड लाइट नहीं कैरी कर पाएगा।
ये जो है वीवीआईपी कल्चर को रिप्रेजेंट करता था और हमारी सरकार ने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में निर्णय किया है कि हम सादगीपूर्ण व्यवहार करें। हम सेवक के रूप में, प्रधानमंत्री ने खुद को प्रधान सेवक कहा, हम सेवक के रूप में काम करें और उस स्वस्थ परंपरा को स्थापित करने के लिए यह ऐतिहासिक निर्णय हुआ है और बहुत अच्छा निर्णय हुआ। मुझे बहुत इसकी खुशी है।
देखिए, आज मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ मोदी जी का कि 70 साल से जो जन अपेक्षाएं थी आज उनको फिर पूरा किया है उन्होंने। और एक बात बस मैं जरूर कहना चाहूँगा कि केजरीवाल और कांग्रेस तो फर्जी हैं, असली आदमी साहब मोदी जी हैं। ये आज फिर उन्होंने देश में करके दिखा दिया है, ऐतिहासिक फैसला है। और सब युवा, मुझे लगता है नेता भी जो है उनके साथ कदम ताल बनाकर चल रहे हैं और इसीलिए इस खुशी में हमने आज से ही निर्णय लिया है कि हमने तो आज से ही छोड़ देंगे।
जो प्रधानमंत्री का सुने हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री की गाड़ी में लाल बत्ती भी नहीं लगेगा, हमने तो अभी तक मनमोहन सिंह जी के भी गाड़ी में लाल बत्ती नहीं देखा था, तो मेरे ख्याल से ये नया नहीं है। और जब हमारे पिता और मम्मी भी मुख्यमंत्री रहे तभी उन्होंने अपने गाड़ी में लाल बत्ती नहीं लगाने का काम।
ठीक परंपरा आपको लगता है?
परंपरा सही है ये, वीआईपी क्या है नहीं है, और ये सब कल्चर है। सब लोगों का अगर फैसला है इसमें तो इसमें भी सहमति।
मैं तत्काल प्रभाव से अपनी लाल बत्ती छोड़ने की घोषणा करता हूं। कोई लाल बत्ती की जरूरत नहीं है, मंत्रियों को भी लाल बत्ती की जरूरत नहीं है। कल ढेर लगा दो रे लाल बत्तियां उतार जहां जहां बत्ती की जरूरत है वहां बत्ती रहेगी, लेकिन शिवराज सिंह चौहान की गाड़ी पर कोई बत्ती नहीं रहेगी। अपनी तो
And well, in a matter of hours after the decision was taken by the Prime Minister, his ministers immediately took action, removing the Lal Battis from their vehicles. My colleague Parveena with this report. Take a look.
After that big decision taken on the cabinet meeting today headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, what you see is Union Minister Kushwaha's car where they are removing the red beacon, and this is the practice which we have seen immediately after the meeting was over. Many Modi ministers are taking off their beacons and putting it off. Hence, first step to bring the VVIP culture end, and this is the start. That's what they have said. You see, they are putting it down, and from now all the ministers, VVIPs and the ministers, bureaucrats and dignitaries will not use the red beacon anymore, and hence will be used only for emergencies like fire services and also ambulances. And this is the first step taken by Modi government to put an end to VVIP culture. With camera person Pratap Suyan, this is Parveena, Delhi, India Today.
All right, so Prime Minister Narendra Modi has clearly shown the red card to the red beacon culture and essentially sent out a message that mantris are not VIPs. They are on par with the Aam Aadmi, with the common man in the country. Take a look at an excerpt from a prime time debate which was moderated by TV Today's managing editor Rahul Kanwal.
Mr. Vadakan, step back to Manmohan Singh, step back before him to Narasimha Rao. You ruled the country for most of the part. Therefore, if the VIP culture is being demolished, the Congress must first accept by taking the blame for the VIP culture that we suffer from.
Rahul, Congress has a broad shoulder. We can take blames. We have been standing on blames. For everything under the sun, the Congress gets blamed. Now, this Lal Batti culture, for 2.5 years, they never remembered it. Almost 3 years. And now they've suddenly, 2019, closer public perception, media perception, suddenly there's this awakening. Now, this is all tokenism, okay, but now the reality is, now you have huge advertisements coming. It's good for media houses, but for God's sake, we don't want to see these mugshots all the time. We know who the Prime Minister, we know who the President is. The people of India know all this. If there has to be an advertisement, it may be a public announcement. How much of money, of public money,
okay, I come to that. You know, I come to that later. Nupur Sharma, Tom Vadakan saying, why is it taken 2.5 years? He's calling this tokenism, and he's saying you've done it just symbolically because of public pressure. How do you respond to the Congress, Nupur?
Not at all. I think it's also important that we give credit where it's due. I think we need to go back to the Supreme Court directive, and it's not any political party is doing. It was a Supreme Court directive which actually said that we are going to restrict the use of Lal Battis or red beacons to 15 red beacons without flasher and 27 for high dignitaries. Only these categories were allowed according to a Supreme Court order. After that, every other political party in every other state were mandated to follow suit. There was no other reason. And I think today what has happened is that those categories have been further clamped down upon. I think it is important to read between the lines into this directive that now the Prime Minister and the Cabinet has come up with this notice which says that even the Prime Minister, the President, Vice President and constitutional posts also would not be allowed to use a red beacon, and only for emergency services would they allow a blue beacon. I think it is important to also give credit where it's due, because I think the central government today realizes, because we've had VVIP culture not in the past 2.5 years, but for 70 years. Let's be clear about that, Mr. Vadakan, because it is important to realize, and the central government does realize, that it is public's money and it is meant to be used for the public. And
Nupur Sharma saying, Ashish Khaitan, give credit where it is due. It takes courage for a man leading a government like the Prime Minister to take this decision. This has been a long-standing disgusting legacy, but a part of our VVIP culture. He says, give credit to the Prime Minister. Is the Aam Aadmi Party willing to say, well done Modi ji for what you've done?
Well, sure, why not? Let the credit be given to the political party or the governments where it is due. We have absolutely no problem, and the people of India will decide who should take the credit. It's not the one political party or you and me who will decide who should eventually be credited with ending the Lal Batti culture.